Hello everyone, this is Mohit, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create an AI voice agent step by step and how you can also sell it to gym owners, and even if you are a business owner, how you can build this agent for your business. But before that, let me show you a quick demo of our AI agent.
This is Grace from Rock Fitness Club. May I know your name, please?
Yeah, this is Mohit here.
Hi, Mohit. Nice to speak with you. Are you an existing customer or a new customer?
Yeah, no, actually I'm your old customer.
Thanks, Mohit. Your membership is currently active under the Silver plan. How can I help you today?
Yeah, actually I want to cancel my membership.
I see, Mohit. Can you share the reason for canceling your membership?
Actually, I'm kind of busy with my routine nowadays, so it is not worth it.
No worries, Mohit. After this call, we'll go ahead and cancel your membership for you. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's fine. So now you can see my membership is cancelled because of busy with routines and not worth it. So this is the reason for that, and my membership status is cancelled. Well, we can do bunch of things with this agent. If I want to upgrade my membership, I can also do that. Like right now you can see it is on silver. So if I want to upgrade my membership from silver to golden, or maybe from basics to golden, I can do that one part too. And that is not at all, we can also send SMS to my phone number for payment links. So like if I want a particular part where I want to accept some kind of payments, because in this agent I added that part after the upgradation of the membership, so we are going to send the payment link. After the payment, the agent is going to upgrade the membership for them. So that's the one case, and there are lots of things in this. Alright guys, so that's enough for the demo, and now you can have the overall idea how our AI voice agent is actually going to work. And now I'm going to show you how you can also build this agent and sell it to other businesses. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Mohit, founder of Chrono AI, my own AI automation agency where I help businesses to grow their business with the help of AI automation and AI agents. Well, if you want to work with me, or if you want me to build these AI agents for your business, then you can just book a free call with me from my website. The link is in the description, and then we can discuss how we are going to integrate these AI agents into your business. Okay, so the first thing is that we need two platforms. Number one platform is Retell AI. Retell AI is a platform where we are going to build our AI voice agent, and the another platform is make.com, in which we are going to capture the data and send it to our Google Sheet. You can see this is our Google Sheet, basically the CRM of our members, and where there are columns like the plan type, membership status, reason for cancellation if someone do that, and this is a column for a new customer, or if someone is new and like they want to buy a membership, then this is a column for that. Well, I was testing this, that's why there are so many columns. Anyways, so you can have the overall idea how it's going to work. Alright, so let's start with the first thing, which is in our Retell AI. Retell AI is a platform where we can build these types of AI agents, and these types of agents can be connected to a phone number, and we can build an inbound voice agent and also an outbound voice agent. So we can automate the whole inbound process, like the sales part for inbound calls and the customer support part, and we can do one more thing, which is for outbound calls, basically to qualify the leads and find the interested customers. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can build an inbound voice agent for gym owners, basically for gyms. And these types of agents can do multiple things, like if someone want to upgrade their membership, these agents can handle that, and if someone need customer support part, these agent can also handle that. Then there is one more thing, if someone want to cancel the membership, or if someone want to buy a new membership, this is also automated with this agent. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is to log in into your Retell AI account. And Retell AI, if you don't have any account in Retell AI, the sign up link is in the description. From there you can just sign up for free, and once you're going to sign up, you are going to see a dashboard like this one, and from here we can create our agent. So this is the agent section. On the left hand side you can see this is the agent section from where we can create our agent. Then we need a knowledge base. Our knowledge base is nothing, it's just FAQs and details about our business. So I already uploaded knowledge base for Rock Fitness Club. Basically this is the agent that I built for gym. Then from here we can connect a phone number from Toolio, and this is a batch call which is used for outbound call. And in the call history we can see all of the call details, like the transcript. You can see this is the transcript, and this is the overall summary and this is the transcript, and this is the recording, and there are few variables here. And from analytics section we can analyze our agent, and there are more things. Let's create our first agent. So you can see, okay, there is one more thing. If you're downloading the template of this agent, well, I'm gonna provide the whole template of the Retell AI agent. Then I'm also gonna provide you the template of make.com scenarios and the Google Sheet. So if you want to download that, just download it from the description. There is a template link, and once you're going to download the Retell AI template, then you have to import it from here. So once you're going to import it, you don't have to create a new agent, because the whole agent is going to appear into your account like this. So if you're creating a new agent totally from scratch, like you are not downloading the template, so then you need to click on this, then select the voice agent button, then select the conversational flow agent and start from blank. So this is how you can create a totally from scratch. But let's see, I've already created one, so I'm going to show you how you can create one from scratch. So this is the name. First thing, from here you can edit your name, agent name, and there are a bunch of features on the left hand side. You can see this is a conversation which is used for replies and overall our conversation with the user. Then this is the function which is used to run particular functions, like if you want to scrape the data from somewhere, or if you want to book the meeting, this is where we use functions. Then this is a call transfer. Like most of the time what happen, people actually don't want to call to AI agent, or if there's someone need for a human agent, then we can use this one function to transfer the call with a real human agent. Then this is a press digit. So this is basically we are giving the permission to AI to press the digits, and this one is a logic speed note. Basically we are not going to use that because it's not worth it. This is SMS. If you want to send SMS to the user, so we can use this one for that, and it is going to send the live message to the user. And this is the ending to end the call. Well, you can see this is where our agent is going to begin. So this is the starting point, and this is the first node, which is conversation. So just click on this, and then you're going to have something like this. Then just connect it with this. Well, I already have one, so I'm not going to create one. So you can see this is a prompt for that. Well, there is one more thing, prompt and static sentence. So if you are selecting the static sentence, let me show you. So if you are doing the static sentence, then it is going to say something like this always. Like this is the exact message that the AI agent is going to say. But of course, we don't need that. We don't want that actually. That's why we are going to use the prompt, and prompt work much more better compared to static sentence. So that is the one thing. And on the right hand side you can see there are few more things, which is the agent setting, from where we can select the language. Right now it is on English US, and from here we can select the agent voice. We can select the provider, 11 Labs, PlayHT, OpenAI, whatever voice you prefer. You can just select it from here, like the female voice, the accent, American, and there are more things. So whatever voice you like, you can just select it from here. Then in the settings section you can select the version of 11 Labs or PlayHT, whatever you're going to prefer. And this is the system model, which is right now on GPT-4o, and we can select the system model from here, GPT 4.1, GPT 4.1 mini, and GPT 4.0. So usually we prefer using GPT 4o, but you can also go with GPT 4.1. This is also good, and 4o is also good. So you need to focus on the pricing too, because you can see this is the pricing overall, so which is right now on $0.12 per minute. And this is the overall pricing, which include all of the things like the 11 Labs cost, PlayHT voice, and the knowledge base cost. And this is the latency of our agent, like how much time it is going to take the agent to reply. And this is the agent ID, and this is the conversation flow ID, which we don't need. So overall this is the pricing of our agent per minute, and this is the latency. Then the next thing is the system prompt, and this is the most important part, because if you are not going to focus on this one, then maybe you're not going to build a good agent. But if you're downloading the template from my resources, then you don't even need to enter all these details or even this one thing. Everything will be fully set up for you. Anyways, this is a system prompt. So this is the first thing, which is role. You are Hope, an inbound agent. Your job is to handle incoming calls, and this is the caller details. So, and this is the current time. So we are providing the current time to the user, and this is a variable which Retell AI provides. And this one is for Los Angeles. By default it is already set on America Los Angeles, but if you want it for somewhere else, then all you have to do is just add this and enter your time zone. But I'm not gonna do that because it's good. Then there are some specifics. Use the caller name throughout the conversation to create a personal connection. Of course, this will make the conversation much more better because AI agent is going to use the username. Let's say Mohit, so it is going to use Mohit one between the conversation. Then never mention any internal functions processed to the caller. So this will make the conversation better, of course. Then there are some notes to make the conversation much more real. This is like most important part. Otherwise, agent is going to sound like robotic. So be conscious, addressing one topic at time, be conversational and natural. And there are some sounding repetitives, steer the conversation back. So if like someone is not talking about the gym or the membership stuff, it is going to take back the conversation. Then confirm any unclear information before proceeding, and never repeat information has been already provided. Use back channeling words like yeah, I see, alright. So these things make a conversation better, but these things are very little to sounds, but these things are actually make the conversation better. Then don't get too excited, don't overhype. And this is some important note: please don't get too excited in the starting of the sentence. Usually AI get too excited. Never repeat anything once said, and never mention any function being called. So this is the overall prompt, and all you have to do is just paste it, copy it from here, and paste it into your agent. And the next thing is a knowledge base. Knowledge base is nothing, just FAQs of the business. You can add a knowledge base from here. Just select the knowledge base, whatever you prefer. Then in speech setting, you can enable a background sound. Right now I'm not using anyone, but you can select like coffee shop or call center, whatever you prefer. Then this is the responsiveness, let it be on 1. Interruption sensitivity, let this one on 0.7. Enable back channeling and enter these types of word here and separate them by comma. Yeah, okay, right, I see. So this will make the conversation better. And this is the transcript setting. You don't need to do anything here. And yeah, that's fine. Then this is the call setting, which is important. From here you can set the end call on silence. So if someone is not saying anything at all, the AI agent is going to end the call after 53 seconds. Then this is the max call duration, which is the maximum time of a single call, which is on 8 minutes. And this is a pause before speaking. Yeah, let it be on 0.6. It is not going to increase the latency, so let it be on 0.5 and 0.6. And this one is for outbound calls. We don't need to focus on that. So let me explain the flow of our agent. Because all of the settings are done, there is one thing left, which is post call analysis. Basically we are going to analyze our call after the call is ended. Well, I'm going to explain this one part later, but before that let me explain you how our agent is going to work. Okay, so the first thing is that you can see this is the first message. Hello, this is Grace from Rock Fitness Club. May I know your name, please? And this is a message that you need to add here. And if you want to change the first message, just change it from here. So AI is going to change the message from this with whatever you're going to add. Then you can add a transition. So just add a transition from here. Select the prompt one. So you can see something like this, and just rename this with this if the user confirm the name. So if someone's confirmed their name, it is going to take to this one path, and this is for to ask if they are the existing customer or a new customer. So if they are a existing customer, so you can see you can another add a transaction from here. Just add from here and rename it like this one. So use this one exact message if the user is a existing customer, so it is going to take this one path. But if the user is a new customer, then it's going to take this one path. So let me first explain you the new customer path. So let's say if someone is new into their gym and someone is new calling to them, then this is the first thing, which is okay, first name is a variable that we are using. And so how can I help you today? And if they need some kind of general support or assistant, then it is going to take this one path. Okay, let me show you properly. Oh yeah, here it is. So you can see it is taking this one path, but if they want to buy a new membership for them, then it is going to take this one path. So let's say first thing, if they need some kind of general support or assistant from the agent, then it is going to take this one path, assist the user with whatever help or support she needed. Then if they don't need any help, then it is going to end the conversation by this, thank the user calling, and end the conversation. You can end this one with this, just add this one and connect the path from this with this. So this is how you can end a call. Okay, yeah, it's all done. Now the second path was if they want to buy a new membership for them. So first thing is that it is going to do explain the user membership plan and their pricing. Ask him which one he want to select. Explain it in the shorter and simpler form. Don't use 1 2 3. So then usually it is a this is the first membership, this is the second membership. So that's why I added this one prompt. But usually it is going to explain all of the membership objects. So whatever membership they are going to select, it is going to take that one path. So if you want to select the basic membership, silver or golden one, then it will say something like this. Tell the user that one of our team member call the user to confirm the membership and payments. Then ask the user if they need any more help or support. If they don't need any help, then it is going to end the call by thanking the user. But if they do need any help, then we are going to connect this one path again with this one path which we already used here. So we already used this one path for the general support, and again we are using this one path with this flow. Okay, so then it is going to end the call if they already get whatever they wants to. If they already asked all of the question and now they don't need any kind of help, then it is going to thank the user and end the call by running the end call function. So this is the one thing. Then the next thing is this. So if they are the existing customer, like what we do, we did it with a new customer. But what if they are existing customer in gym? So then it is gonna check the customer details. So what we are doing here, we are running a function. So you can see there is a function button. Just click on this and add a new function. Click on the custom function button, name it. Okay, what you have to do is just name it same as this one, customer detail, and in the description add this, run this function to get the customer details. And in the post section you can see there is a hook which is from make.com, and I'm going to provide you how you can also get a hook from make.com later in this video when I'm going to show you the make.com part. And this is a JSON format which is like this. So this is a type, an object, and this is the properties. In the properties there is only one property which is name. So name is the type string and the description is the name of the user, and this is a required field which is name. So what we are doing here, we are sending the name of the user in make.com so that make.com can process this later and get the customer detail from our CRM. So we are using the name as a variable by which we are going to extract the customer detail. So just add this one thing, like name it, then do it this, select this one on post and add a hook here. I'm going to show you how you can get a hook from make.com. Then just add this one JSON and just click on the update button, and that's all you need to do, and just select it from here and add it. And once you're going to add it, it is going to add here, and all you have to do is just connect this one with this, connect this one with this function. Okay, now there are a few more things, which is, let's say if someone didn't pronounce the name correctly, or there are multiple names in our CRM, so the agent is not going to find any data. So then it is going to ask them to tell them the registered full name so that it can run the function again, and then it is going to extract the data successfully. So this one path is for that. The another path is to not found any customer data, then that's why we are using this one for that. User detail isn't found in the data, ask the user detail, ask the user to tell the register full name. Okay, that's fine. So this is one thing. So if the data is incorrect, or if the name is incorrect in our agent, then it is going to say something like this, confirm your name, your registered full name, and then it is going to use that to extract the data. Well, if the agent gets successfully all the details from our CRM, then it is going to take this one path. We got the customer detail, tell him the status, his or her membership, then ask him how can I help you today. So it is going to say the membership plan, like, yeah, I can see your membership is currently active, and how can I help you, you are having the golden membership, silver membership, anything like that. And then it's going to say how can I help you today. And again, this is a prompt, like we are using the prompt for all of our notes. Okay, and notes, basically this is what we call notes, so these things are notes. Okay, then there are three transitions from here. You can add a transition from here, just click add and prompt, and then just name like this. So user want to cancel the membership. If someone want to cancel the membership, then it is going to take this one path. Or if someone want to upgrade the membership, then it is going to take this one path. Or if someone need general support or any customer support thing, then it is going to take this one path. So this is the same thing that we already used for customer support. So if someone need a general support or anything like that, then it is going to take this one path and just connect it with them. That's all you need to do for general support. Then it is already connected with the end call function. And the next thing is, oh, okay, yeah, it's good. So next thing is, if someone want to cancel the membership, so that's the important part. So I already showed you in the demo like how we can cancel the membership, and in this ask the reason, the cancellation for the membership. So the agent is going to ask the reason for the cancellation of the membership, and then if they provided the reason, then it is going to take this one path. And there is one more thing, which is if someone want to upgrade the membership, then this is the one thing, explain all other membership plan to the user with pricing. Don't explain the current plan which they are already using. If someone is from silver, so they can upgrade it to gold, and if someone is from basic, they can upgrade it to silver or gold. So that's why we are using it. Basically there are three types of membership in this, silver, basic and gold. Basic is the lowest one, then the silver, and this is the golden one. Anyways, you can see there are two paths. So it is going to explain all other membership, and then if the user selected the silver membership, then it is going to take this one path, and if the user selected the golden membership, then it is going to take this one path. And here it is, here the main thing, which is SMS. Well, this one thing is used to send the SMS to the user, and you can add a SMS note from here. Just click on this, and here it is. So this is the SMS part. All you have to do is just add a exact message. So this is a static sentence that I am using. Even if you want to use a prompt, you can use that, but I'm using the static sentence. Like this is exactly message which is gonna send to them with SMS. So hi, as you requested to upgrade your membership to golden membership, here is the payment link. So once they are gonna make the payment link, I used my website, my agency website, but you can add your payment link. Like you can create a one-time payment for your membership, and then once you're gonna pay it, you can the agent is gonna upgrade the membership actually. So once the payment is completed, we will upgrade the membership. Thank you. So if the SMS sent successfully, then it is gonna say something like this: tell the user that you have sent a payment link, and once the payment will be done, then you will be upgrade the membership for him, her. Then say, is there anything else I can help you with? You can see the SMS part is another one for silver membership. So if someone want to upgrade the golden membership, it is gonna take this one path. But if someone want to upgrade the membership from basic to silver, then it is gonna take this one path here. And this is the same message, but what you can do is you can change the payment link from here. You can create another payment link for the golden membership and another one for silver, and whatever membership like you are offering, you can change the name from here, the membership name from here. So that's the one thing. Then if the SMS sent successfully, then it is going to take this one part to tell them, yeah, you have sent the SMS to them, and once they are going to make the payment, you are going to upgrade the membership for them. And if not, if like the agent is unable to send the SMS, maybe with some kind of problem, usually that's not happen, but let's say if it failed, then we are going to transfer the call to a human agent. So tell the user that you are not able to send the SMS to you, so you are transferring this call to one of your team member, and this is the transfer call function from where you can transfer the call to your team member. So you can see in the transfer call function, you can add a number from here. This is a static number, just add a number here. Yeah, let this one on default. Just add a number in which you want to transfer the call. So if you want to transfer the call to your real human agent, add a real human agent number here, and then the agent is going to transfer the call to that, and then it is going to end the call, and the call will be transferred. Okay, so this is how we are going to transfer the call. But let's say if they need support or general question here, then if they need a general support here, then it is going to assist the user with whatever support and needs they are going to have general question. And if they don't need any help, it is going to end the call. And if they don't need any help in the starting, then first it is going to thanks the user for calling, and then it is going to end the call. But that should be here. Actually, we first need to thanks them before ending the call directly, because if I'm gonna connect this one with this directly, then it is gonna end the call instantly. So we don't need that. So then it is gonna thanks the user for calling, and then it is going to end the call. So this is how exactly it is going to work. And yeah, so that's the overall agent. That's all we need to do. So yeah guys, I explained you the whole conversational flow, how our AI voice agent actually work. And there is one thing left, which is basically there is one more thing left in our make.com. There are few things, but in the Retell AI there is one thing left, which is post call analysis. So you can see there are post call, which is this. So you can add a post call analysis from this. Just click on the add button and select the text or selector if you need. So if you need to add one, so just click on add button and select the text, and from here you can add it. Well, I'm going to explain you how you can add one. So this one, you can see this is a request cancel. So if someone want to cancel the membership, then this is for that. User requested a cancellation of the membership. So this one is the choice one. You can select the selector. Okay, add a choices from here. So you can add choice like this. So this is for that. First thing is that you need a selector for that. So name it same as this one, request cancel. User requested a cancellation of the membership. Then add a choices like this, yes or no. So if the user requested a cancellation, then AI output will be yes, and if he or she didn't, then the AI output will be no. Then just update this. Then if someone want to buy a new membership, then this is for that, buy a membership. And this is, you can see if the user want to buy or purchase the membership, choices for that, yes and no. Then there are more membership type. If someone want to buy a membership, then which type of membership he or she selected, basic, silver, golden. So this is the choices for that. And here is the user phone number. This is the text only. User phone number, the user phone number I want to collect. And you can add the format example here, actually just example or optional. So actually this is not the format example. I need something like this. Just edit something like this, just for example, like not necessary. Okay, that's good. Then your name, actually cancel this one, name it, just add a name here, that's all. This is the username, and this is the, just add a username in the description and the name, and update this one. And this is the current time, which is not should be like this, it should be like this. Okay, cancel it from here and update it. Yeah, so now we are storing every single output from here. The reason for the cancellation is another one, which is the reason for the cancellation, like why someone cancel their membership. So output must be the reason for the cancellation. And yeah, that's all we need to do. And select the provider from here. Don't use GPT-4o mini. It is free, but it is not work properly. I already used this one. So always use GPT-4o, because GPT-4 mini doesn't really work. So use the GPT-4o. Anyways, we are done with Retell AI, and that's all we need to do in our Retell AI. There's one thing that I'm going to show you in the function section. I told you that I'm going to show you how you can add a webhook URL. So in the customer detail, you need a webhook URL from the make.com. Okay, here it is. So you can see this is the API endpoint, and this is the URL which we need from make.com. This is the only thing which is left, and now I'm going to show you how you can get a webhook URL from make.com. So first thing is that you need to log in into your make.com account, and if you don't have any account in make.com, the sign up link is in the description. From there you can just sign up, and once you're going to sign up, you're going to see a dashboard like this one. Just like the scenarios, add a new scenario, actually create a new scenario from here. And once you're going to create a new scenario, let me show you. If you're downloading the template from my resources, then you don't even need to create a new scenario. Actually, all you have to do is just import it. So in the more section you can see there is an option for import blueprint. Just select this and select the file that I'm going to provide you in my resources and just click on the save button. Then you don't even need to do anything in make.com. So let me open the gym customer detail one. So we are using two scenarios here, which is the first one is gym customer detail, and this is the one in which we need the webhook. Okay, so just click this one. You can add a webhook. So this is the custom webhook. Then once you're gonna add it, just click on this add button, name it whatever you want to, like I name it course detail, which is basically customer details, and save it. Now you can copy the web address from here, just copy it from here, then you need to paste it here. That's all you need to do, and just save this one. And yeah, that's done. Just click on the save button and then you are done with Retell AI. Now there's nothing you need to do. In the make.com, once you're going to create a webhook, just click on the save button. Then the next model is the Google Sheet search row model. You can add a Google Sheet search row model, and then once you're going to add it, just connect your Google account with this. Select this one and select your spreadsheet. Actually, this is the spreadsheet that I am using, gym customer detail, and I am also going to provide you the example of this spreadsheet in my resources, so you can just copy it from there. So we have two sheets here, which is one is the CRM and this is for new customer. So if someone want to buy a new membership, then we are storing the data here. And okay, so this is a search rows in Google Sheet. So select the sheet from here, then sheet name, which is the sheet 1 for our CRM. So this one model is using to extract the detail of our customer. If the name exists, it is going to extract all of the details. Then we are using a JSON structure. Let me show you what is the JSON. Click on the edit button and you can see all the columns here: name, gender, DOB, email address, plan type, membership status, reason for cancellation. I am using everything here: name, gender, DOB, email, text, and plan type, membership status, and yeah, that's all of the columns here. And there is one more column which is reason for cancellation, but we don't need that column, so I am not using that one. But you can add an item from here. Just click here and edit whatever you want to. And then once you're gonna add it, you need to select the variables here. So just in the name section, select the name one. In the gender, select the gender. In DOB, select the date of birth. In the email, select the email address. In the plan type, select the plan type, and the membership status, select the membership status. That's all we need to do. Just click on the save button. So now we are using a Google Gemini AI to compare our data with the name and extract the data from there. So you can see your job is to check the name from the data. Your job is to identify the name of the user that matches the name. You should use your intelligence to identify the customer name. This is all the okay. Actually, I built another agent for dentist, AI dentist scholar. So this is from that. Anyways, so all the customer name here, and we are using this one JSON that we already used here. So you can add a variable like this. Just select it from here. Yeah, and the note, your output must be only all of the details of that particular customer of that name. So this is a model one, so you can see you can select the model from here. I am selecting a model here. Then the next thing is the user. The user is the text, and add this same as this one. The name is, and select this one thing which is name. So select this one here, like just all you have to do is just name is just like this one from here and save it. And but you need to add your Gemini account, and you can add it from here. Just click on the add button. But to connect the Google Gemini account, you need to add an API key, and now I'm going to show you how you can get an API key from Google. Okay, so just search Gemini API in Google, and then you can see something like this. Click on this. Actually, click on the get a Gemini API key, this one thing, and from here you can create a new API key for your business. Then you can create an API key from here. Just click on the create API button, and once you're gonna create an API key, just enter the API key here and click on the save button, and then you're gonna have your own Gemini account. And just click on the save button, and then you're done. Okay, our last step is to use a webhook response, which is used for this. This is the status, which is 200, and this is a JSON structure, which is the customer detail, and this is the result from our Google Gemini. You can select the result from here, just like this. Anyways, I already selected one, and that's all. Just save it, and then you need to save your make.com from here, and that's all. Okay, so that was the one thing, that was the one scenario. There is one more scenario, which is this, which is gym and call report. And again, you can import the agent, you can import the template from here. Just click on the import button and choose the file that I'm going to provide you in the resources, and select it, click on the save button. Then you're going to have your scenarios like this. Then the next thing is a webhook. This is a custom webhook. Just add a custom webhook here. Then you need to do the copy this one address to your clipboard, and this name it this one like and call report, and just copy it like from here, and then you need to paste it into your Retell AI. Let me show you where you need to paste it. Just scroll down, and you can see in the webhook setting there is a URL, and this is exactly where you need to paste it. Just copy this and paste it here. What you have to do is, let me explain you again. All you need to do is just copy the webhook from here. Just click on the copy button, and then you need to paste the webhook here, and then you're done with Retell AI. That's all we need to do. And we are using this one scenario for the end call report. Basically what we are doing is, we need to analyze our call after the call. So once the call is ended, the agent is going to analyze the call. You can see in the post call analysis. So there are few things: request, cancel, buy membership. All of these things we are analysis after the call is ended. So that's why we are using this. So this is one thing. Then you can add a router, and then the router is like this. We are using the filter, which is cancel. So here is a condition, which is request cancel. So you can see we are using a request cancel post call analysis here. Then all you have to do is just click on this, then go to the call analysis, then custom analysis data, and here you can see the request cancel. Okay, here it is. So just select it from here. Then what you need to do is just equal to yes. So because what we are doing, if someone want to cancel the membership, then it is going to be yes. So if someone want to cancel the membership, it is going to check that it is yes or not. If it is yes, then it is going to take this one path. But if it is not yes, then it is not going to take this one path. Okay, so the next thing is this, the Google search model, where we are searching the name. And so we are using, first thing that you need to do is just select the Google Sheet from here, add your account, select the seat name, and yeah. And the filter section, select the name, and in the text operator, select this one, contains. Then you need to add a variable here, which is this custom analysis data dot user or test name. So this is all you need to do here. Then just click on the save button. Then it is going to extract the username. Let me search it. Let me show you how it's going to work. So let's say if I enter Mohit, so it is going to extract all the details of Mohit, mail, DOB, my email ID, my plane status. It is cancelled, and the reason for was cancelled, busy with routine, not worth it. So you can have an idea how actually it is working. Then the next thing is update a row, which is used here. So now we are adding another column, which is update a row Google Sheet, and again select all of these things. Now here you need to add the row number from here, from this model. Just add a row number like this. Then once you're going to add a row number in the membership status, and enter this cancelled. So the agent can, so the gym owners can have an idea that the membership is cancelled. Now then click on the save button. Then this is another one, which is update a row. This one is used for the reason for the cancellation. So you can see this is for that call analysis custom dash analysis dash data dot reason slash cancellation. So that is all we are using, and just click on the save button, and you can save it from here too. Then the next path is this. We are using another filter here. Actually, let me add another filter here. This is for new customer. Just name it new customer, same as this one. And the call analysis that we are going to use, we don't have a call analysis, that's why I'm going to use this. Let me show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to change this one, the last one thing, with this. So this is the buy membership one. Okay, So what I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna just add this one thing here, then I'm gonna copy the whole thing, and now I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, here it is. So now you can see this is a call analysis, custom analysis, data, buy membership. So if someone want to buy a membership, then it should be yes, and just save it. And then it is gonna add a row here with the name, with the membership plan, with the phone number, and with the time. So in our Google Sheet, you can see there is another sheet which is new customer, and there is a name, there is a membership plan, the phone number. Actually I was doing the web call, that's why there is no phone number, and the time, and the column one. Oh, okay, we don't need this one. So there are 4 columns. If you want to add more columns, you can also add that, but usually like right now I'm using this, the name, the membership plan, the phone number, and the time, so that the human agent can call them later for the membership and payment detail, all of these things. And just click on the save button, and then we are done with make.com. So yeah guys, in this video I explained you how you can also create these AI agents for businesses, and you can sell this agent for gym owners like for price for $2,000, $3,000. And there are a few more things that you need to do, because of course all of the agent doesn't work same as this one, all of the business doesn't work same as this one. So there are few things that you need to do, a little bit of changes, but you can have a overall idea how you can build an agent around this. Of course you need to use your brain a little bit to build these agents, but believe it, if you can build one and if you can sell it to a gym owners, then this is the best opportunity for you, because AI is like literally one of the best thing which is happening right now. Anyways, there are lots of things. I'm gonna make more videos like this one, how you can sell AI agents. In this video I only focus on building this agent, so that's why this is for that. And soon I'm gonna create another video in which I'm gonna show you how you can also start an AI automation agency totally from scratch and sell these type of AI agents to businesses. And that's all guys. If you want to learn how to build more agent like this one, because in my channel I already uploaded lots of videos in which I'm showing you how you can create these type of agents more better in WAPI AI, in Retell AI, for real estate, for another businesses. So there are lots of videos on my YouTube channel, you can watch that. And if you want to work with me, or if you want me to build this agent for your business, then you can just book a free call with me from the description. Just book a free call, and then we can discuss it further, how we are going to create a new agent for your business. That's all for today. I'm going to see you in another video. Until then, bye.